Hello friends, welcome to HTML video tutorials series. In the previous videos, we discussed introduction to HTML, what does HTML stands for, features and limitations of HTML, how to create a web page using Notepad, structure of a typical HTML document, how to set a web page title, how to add multiple spaces in HTML, how to add line break in HTML, how to make text bold, italic and underline. In this video we understand nesting of HTML tags. In HTML we can nest tags guys. That is, we can place one tag inside another tag. Nesting of tags is helpful when we want to apply more than one style to a single content. When we want to apply more than one style to single content, we take help of nesting of tags guys. Let's have a demo and understand. Here in the browser, I want to display 6 times hello world. I simply say here HELLO hello world and I use the BR tag. I'm going to copy this and paste 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see hello world is displayed 6 times, one below another. Now I want to make this hello world bold. So what I have to do guys? Before this hello world, I have to use opening B tag. After this hello world, I have to use closing B tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see the first hello world is displayed in bold. Now I want to display this second hello world in italic. So before the second hello world, I say opening I tag. After this hello world, I say closing I tag. I save this, go to browser and reload. You see second hello world is displayed in italic. I want to display this with underline. So here I say opening U tag and here I say closing U tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. The third hello world is displayed with underline. What if I need to display this fourth hello world bold as well as italic? How do we display this hello world in bold and italic? We take help of nesting tags guys. We put one tag inside another tag. Here I say opening B tag, then I say closing B tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see this hello world is displayed in bold. Now I want to display it in italic also. So after opening B tag, I open I tag. Before closing B tag, I close I tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see this hello world is displayed in bold as well as italic. This hello world is displayed in bold as well as italic. When we want to apply multiple styles to a single content, we take help of nesting tags guys. While nesting tags, remember that whichever tag you open first, it should be closed last guys. First open, last close rule you have to follow. Let's say I want to display this text with bold and underline. So what I have to do? I'm going to say here opening B and closing B. If I save, go to browser and reload, it is displayed in bold. Now I want to display it in underline also. So after opening B, I say open U. Before closing B, I say closing U tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see it is displayed in bold and underlined. I want to display this text in bold, italic and underline. So what I do? First I say opening B tag, then I say closing B tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see it is displayed in bold. Next, after opening B tag, I open I tag. Before closing B tag, I say closing I tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. It is displayed in italic. Now I want to make it underlined also. So after opening I say opening U tag. Before closing I tag, I say closing U tag. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see it is displayed in underline. So this hello world is getting displayed in bold, italic and underline guys. That is how you nest tags in HTML. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try it yourself guys. In the upcoming video tutorials we discuss more about HTML. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.